Good morning students. Let's solve today exercise 4.5. Draw the following. The square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now what we have to draw? We have to draw the square READ. What is the size given? 5.1 centimeter. So first let's draw the rough diagram of square. Actually no need to draw. You can draw directly this. See now RE. How much it is given with RE 5.1 centimeter. So RE 5.1 centimeter. So now READ. Okay. So squares all sides are equal. So this is also 5.1 centimeter. This is also 5.1 centimeter. This is also 5.1 centimeter. Okay. So now to construct READ, this square, first what we need to draw? We will draw first 5.1 centimeter and 5.1 centimeter. So draw the line segment 5.1 centimeter. So see here 5.1 centimeter I have drawn 5.1 centimeter. RE 5.1 centimeter. Now you will think that we can draw like this also. No, that is not a proper construction. For this you need to use your compass. Okay. So now RE is 5.1 centimeter. Then what we will do? See, EA also we want 5.1 centimeter. So how to use this? So first what we will do? Here we will draw the 90 degree angle. Angle E should be the 90 degree angle, and on that angle we will draw the 5.1 centimeter. So to draw the 90 degree angle, what we need to do first? Take convenient radius in your compass. Draw an arc. Okay. Then without changing distance, 60. This is 120, and 60 and 120 if we bisect we will get here 90 degree. Yes, we will get here 90 degree. So now first draw the 90 degree. See now I will draw this 90 degree angle. Extend the line. We have to extend the line. Extend means increase the line. Okay. So now RE 5.1. So EA also 5.1. So take 5.1 centimeter radius in your compass. Now this here, this RE is 5.1. So same measurement we have to draw the square. All sides are equal. So whatever it is here 5.1, same measurement we have to take in the compass. 5.1 centimeter radius. E as a center and 5.1 centimeter radius. Draw an arc cutting to this line. So here, this point which we got, that is A. Okay. Now EA also we got 5.1 centimeter. Okay. Now AD we want 5.1 centimeter. So now see, same measurement. Take 5.1 centimeter measurement in your compass. Now keep this pointed tip on A. Draw an arc. Okay. Now after that what we can do? R as a center and 5.1 centimeter radius. Draw an arc cutting to this arc. So this and this you can join, and this you can join. So you have got the square, that is okay, these and these lines you can join. Okay, so this is the square READ. So READ square. See now this also we got 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter. So this is required square with 5.1 centimeter side. Let us rhombus. One diagonal is 6.4 centimeter. Suppose this is 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Just draw the rough sketch of rhombus. Suppose now this is 6.4. This diagonal is 6.4 centimeter, and this is another diagonal. That is how much? 5.2 centimeter. So we have to construct this rhombus. This is rough sketch of rhombus. First we have to draw the rough sketch of rhombus. Now see, A, B, C, D. Here name is not given, so I have given the name A, B, C, D. Okay, so now let's draw first AC. First what we will do to construct this rhombus. Now sides are not given, what it is given, diagonals are given. So first we draw the diagonal AC. AC how much it is given? 6.4 centimeter. So let's draw the 6.4 centimeter. Draw the line segment 6.4 centimeter. See, this is line segment 6.4 centimeter. Okay. See, it should be visible for you, so I have again overwrite, but you don't do the same. Change the measurement. You will overlay this again on this. Okay. So now 6.4 centimeter. What it is? AC. AC how much we got? 6.4 centimeter. Yes. AC 6.4 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 6.4 centimeter. Now what we do? We need to draw this BD. So we need to draw this BD. For that what we need to do? We need to bisect this AC. To draw the BD 5.2 centimeter, we need to bisect AC. Now how to bisect AC? To bisect the line segment, you have learned to bisect the line segment A as a center and more than half with distance. See, keep it on A, take more than half measurement. See, don't take up till C, it is less than C but more than half. Okay. Draw an arc up, down. Okay. Without changing measurement, keep it on C. Draw an arc up and down. Okay. And then join these. These you got. Okay, extend this line up to here. Okay, but now BD should be 5.2. Now this is the center. Okay, B to D, this distance should be 5.2. So what we need to do? 5.2 we will divide by 2. So we'll take the measurement. Okay, 5.2 divided by 2. See, what you will get? 5.2 divided by 2. 5.2 will divide into 2 equal parts because see B to D, it should be 5.2, means it will be divided into 2 parts. So divide by 2 for 5.2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 6s are 12. So what we got? 2.6. Now what you will do? Take 2.6 centimeter radius in your compass. O as a center and 2.6 centimeter radius. Okay. What you will do? O as a center. Here you got the point you got. So O as a center and 2.6 centimeter radius. So O as a center, see here 2.6 centimeter radius we have to take. O as a center and 2.6 centimeter radius, draw an arc up and down. and then measure it is 5.2 or not. See, these to this measurement is 5.2 or not, that we have to measure. It is 5.2 or not. Okay, you will get, surely you will get 5.2 only because you have bisect, na? What you have done? You have divided by 2. Okay, so O as a center and with 2.6 centimeter radius, draw an arc up and down. It is very easy. If two diagonals are given, to construct the rhombus is very easy. First diagonal simply you have to draw, then bisect that diagonal. After bisecting you will get this point. Then another line, this diagonal we have to divide into two equal parts. Means you have to divide by 2. And then O as a center and with whatever radius we got, with that radius, now here we got 2.6 radius, draw an arc. Okay, and now these points you got, now this is B and this is B. See here, these I have not taken, these measurements. Okay, and join this, join A to D, then A to B, then B to C, and C to D. Okay. So this is the rhombus, required rhombus. So this is the required rhombus A, B, C, D. So this is the required rhombus. Okay. Let us solve now question number 3. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. Now first, what is the first step? We have to draw the rough diagram of rectangle. Okay, whatever figure is given. So now rectangle, this is rough sketch of rectangle. It makes easy to understand what is given. A rectangle with adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means this side and this side. Adjacent sides. What is the length? 5 cm and 4 cm. Okay. Now this is rectangle. What is the name is given? Rectangle. So rectangle's opposite sides are equal. So this is also 5 cm. Now this side is 4 cm. So this is also 4 cm. So let me give the name for this rectangle. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now this is rough sketch of rectangle. Now let's draw the rectangle. Let's construct the rectangle. Now AB how much it is? 5 cm. So draw a line segment 5 cm. See here. This is line segment 5 cm. Okay. Now what we have to draw? BC. BC should be 4 cm. So to draw BC 4 cm, first we should draw here right angle. Okay. First we should draw here right angle. So how to draw the 90-degree angle? Right here A, B. It is 5 cm. Okay. Now B has a center. B has a center and with convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay. We need to draw a perpendicular. So keep it on this. This is 60 degree. 60 and 60. This is 120 degree. So 60 degree angle and 120 degree angle. If we will bisect, we will get 90 degree angle. Okay. So this we got 90 degree angle. Let's join this. You can join this with dotted line. No problem. Or you can draw it directly. Extend this line. Instead of dotted line, join it directly. Okay. After that, now what is the measurement of BC? BC is 4 cm. Now constructing to this arc. So you have got here D. Okay. Now join A to D. Now join A to D. Okay. A to D and D to C. Join this. Okay. So this is your required rectangle. So this is your required rectangle. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is required rectangle. See here you need to draw 90-degree angle. Yes, because all the angles of rectangles are 90 degrees. So while constructing rectangle, while constructing square, you need to draw this construction of 90 degree. Okay.